Grab the shoes, Zach.
I'll give it back to Mr. Chu.
I look good in it though.
You do look good. I have one at
Thanks,
home.
Chief. Hey, how you doing? Good. I haven't seen you in a long time. Yeah. You're never here.
Alright.
This kid.
YouTube video fame, here we come.
I sent Brian a message from the Edelsons.
Idiots start wildfire and John Day. Oh yeah, that's pretty good. That's pretty good video quality.
Yeah. Right when they blow it up. Hi.
Think we can get a little closer in?
Whoa,
Oh, wow.
that's really good HD.
Yeah, that's like a little scary actually.
How close you want to get? I got 800 coming up right there.
What? How? How?
Oh, HD? Wow, that's a good camera actually.
That's what I'm
Alright, get a
here
close up of the explosion.
for. Should I do it like that, perhaps?
No,
No, because we're
Oh, yeah.
going to film the whole thing in widescreen, Ian.
That's right.
no, dude, you want a wide view. You don't want a really close view.
Okay, yeah, that looks good.
Well, when they actually do it, I'll move back. But until then, we're getting the pregame show.
Are you recording right now?
Yeah.
Can it listen to them? Can it like eavesdrop on it?
No, I can't hear them. You can zoom in really close though.
That'd be
Yeah,
awesome.
I think the microphone's going to pick up the explosion noise.
The what?
I'm pretty sure the microphone will pick up the
Well,
explosion.
yeah, it'll pick up the explosion.
Look, how long have they
You
been
know what?
down
They
there?
say something about microphones that like
They do. They have them. It's sonar.
that go like.
All right, guys. Chop, chop. Let's go.
Nail that thing and it'll go.
Oh, does he have a fire extinguisher too?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna stand behind Ron Teed on this one.
You get hit in the eye with the scope too?
Oh yeah. What hit me was my glasses.
McGregor's making final calculations.
Go!
Oh, Ian.
Your face is covering the whole shot.
I think we should organize that everybody
We're gonna wait a minute. Now, just no shooting yet.
Aww.
Dad,
What about rock throwing?
Is there fire lit yet?
not that many people have their rifles out.
Watch, you're shooting. I'll take a shot.
Okay, so is it
Is there
that
fire lit, Dad?
white thing in the bucket?
That's my guess. Just cover. Yeah, I want to zoom in on the whole thing. I mean,
Hang on, I lost it. Oh, there it is.
all right, set up a good shot. No, that's too close.
Yeah, I know, but
You want to Sam's right. You want some context. That might be a little too far. That's too far.
I know, but hang on.
That's a pretty good camera, actually.
Yeah, it is.
Can this thing do slow?
7-hour battery life?
We do something as a secondary light.
Yeah.
Wow, that's a really good camera.
Have to throw it in the flame.
It's got image stabilization. It's got an image stabilization in it.
Don't zoom out. Don't zoom in too much.
I'm not.
No, don't shoot it yet.
It'll be good.
Hey, give it another minute to heat up and cook. You want some heat on that.
Zoom in and see.
No, that's a good.
See where the fire is.
Yeah, that's good distance.
Can I see a fire?
Why don't you run down
Oh,
there
it's
and check it
that
out?
orange?
Yeah, there's
That's
smoke.
good context. Yeah. Hold on.
Yes, smoke.
There's smoke.
Do you see smoke?
Scotty, don't go down there, man.
Can you see smoke?
Don't go down there, please.
Oh, well, the fire itself.
Let's go.
Do it. Do it.
That's a minute or two.
Tanner right before? I shot it.
Oh, there's flame down there. We use like a stack of. We want that propane to start heating in that bottle. Is the propane tank full? You know what? You go check it for me, Link. I want you to go down there and look at the gauge. It's a little gauge on the back side. For you? Yeah.
Go.
Wait, I'll check the gauge.
No, Paul. No, they're
Paul,
kidding.
it's a joke.
They're kidding.
I'm sorry that I got balls the size of coconuts.
Excuse me, there's a lady here.
Really stupid ball. It's a propane tank, but there's fire next to it, tanninite next to it.
Start it.
Hey, boys, fire in the hole.
It's not right in front of us.
Shoot, again. Shoot another gun on that. It's leaking propane. Hit it. Good. All right. It's going to leak for a while. You're okay. Stand right beside it, Barrett. Whoever's shooting, just get out on that point and start. I'll shoot it. More slow. Use something.
Quick. I see flame.
Go. Fire. Go.
I see fire, man.
Oh, yeah!
What?
You got that right, Ian?
Oh my god.
All right, we need a.
Get all that?
How do you like that, boy?
Hey, let's take this. Did you guys feel the heat? Go! Come on!
No, I got it.
Go!
Hey, guys, we gotta go!
That was a big explosion.
Get on the back side of it! Oh, good. It's slowing down.
That was cool.
That went faster than I thought it would.
He's still
Go!
Run!
Go! Left! Look! Left!
Brian!
Look!
You gotta stop it up top!
I know. It'll be fun.
You gotta stop it up top!
Don't stop it from above!
Oh my God, don't give steak! Not for steak!
Somebody go back, Jeff, get another fire!
They got it.